And why is it so hard? Why is it so hard today? Coming at you today with a video introducing today. Hello everybody, Hoosier Green Thumb coming at you today with a video introducing Hirsch Ranch. It's not really a ranch, but it's the nickname that we give for it. This is my wife's place, and she has loved horses her whole life, and 13 years ago she made her lifelong dream come true by buying her horse Jojo after dropping me off at the airport to fly home to the States. Yes. After years of taking care of her horses at other places, she finally took the plunge and decided to strike out on her own and do everything by herself. It's definitely been worth it, despite the additional workload. My wife is an occupational therapist, and she recently completed a course for riding therapy. This place is not just her playground, it's also her workplace. She comes here every day, and she often brings the girls, and they are very helpful, and it's kind of cute to watch them run around the place, and I'm actually really surprised at how much they can do for their ages. I mean, my youngest is 5 and my oldest is 8, and yeah, it's independence. I've given the girls the GoPro and let them run around. It kind of lets you have a little bit of a kid's perspective on the place, and it's fun to watch. Their little arms. So I'm thinking about doing that in the future a little bit more, and it just depends on how much the girls will actually kind of help me. Like you've seen with the garden, a lot of times I try to get them to help me, and they don't. They just kind of go and often do whatever they want after 30 seconds to a minute. I think it's normal, so I'll see what I can get done with the girls, but that is most likely going to be a future edition. Today I'm just giving you a short introduction to the Hirsch Ranch and showing you the residents and some of the stuff that we do around here. This is another video from the lost hard drive, and unfortunately shortly after filming this we had to put down Bundy. I thought about cutting him out of the introduction, but it just didn't feel right. He was an older horse, he was 28 or more, we're not exactly sure, and he suffered from chronic colic, and it was just getting too bad. But he is missed, and we will show some of his better moments with the girls and just our memories of him at the end of this video as well. So let's just stay positive, we'll cheer up, and I hope you enjoy with a little bit of music in the background as usual. I'm pleased to introduce to you Hirsch Ranch. Hi everybody. I'm going to take a minute to show you a part I've never shown on the channel before. Today we're out here celebrating my oldest daughter's birthday, so I thought I'd introduce you shortly to the horses. Since like I said, I've never really done that. I mean, in total, you might call us hoarders a little bit. So, let's see, what all do we have? There's Jojo, Bundy, and Fion. Bundy and Fion are the 2 ponies, Jojo is the horse. We also have 2 dogs, Amy and Fita. Amy is more my dog, Fita is more my wife. And then we also have 7 chickens, 3 pythons, 2 of them are albinos, 1 leopard gecko, and I believe that's it. As you can see, I'm being joined by my daughter. Happy birthday.
Hello.
Like I said, I wanted to show you a little bit around the place. We kind of do hoard. I don't think I'm a hoarder. I would say that different. Let's say we do have a few animals, more than the most. I've always loved animals growing up, and I've had lots of pets. I don't know how many dogs over the years, or cats. The worst was the tarantula. It got out in my room, but that's a story for another day. But yeah, out here, this is a 3-hectare plot of land that we rented from a local farmer. My wife has her horse Jojo, who she's had for 13 years. There's Bundy. We've had him for a couple of years. He used to work at a pony hoof. Yeah, kids would ride him. And when he retired, we bought him, and this is where he's retiring. And there's also a Fion. He's also new. He's my wife's riding therapy horse. There's 1 other horse here named Maya, but it's our neighbors, and they keep it here with us. Yeah, I'll show a short little bit about what is here. It's just basically a bunch of grass where the horses run around and stay most of the time. I hope this gives us another area that we can show some different things that we're able to do. I mean, earlier this year, there was, when we were cutting the grass, there was a baby deer, and we hope that we could get it to go out to where its mom was waiting on the side of the field over here, but it didn't. So in the end, I had gloves on. I rubbed myself with some grass, and I had like thick things of grass on either side, and I picked up the baby and carried it over. And then shortly after that, we did see the mom show up, but I think they took off because we didn't see them again after that. That one deer actually kind of lived around here. My daughters and my wife would see it every time they come over. Germany is really full, and I do really like how this place is so calm and how you can get out a little bit from where we live. I mean, it's in the same town, but it's on the other side and it's a little further out, so it's kind of nice. I hope you enjoyed looking around at this little bit of an area and what we're gonna be able to show you in the future. I don't know, it depends also what my wife wants to show. It's another little addition to what I guess is a part of the hobby, and it's always, I like to look at the horses. I don't care for the riding part, but that's just me personally, so whatever. All right, I'm pleased to introduce to you Hirsch Ranch. No, Jojo. You thirsty? Bandit. Yeah. With all what the girls did to you today, you're tired, aren't you? Yeah. Excuse me, Maya. Let me get to it. Fionn. Made it to the end of another video. That is impressive. I appreciate it. So thanks again for watching. I'll keep on working on through this hard drive. Sometimes it's hard to formulate exactly what I want to do, and that's been delaying me, as well as with the last video there was the problem with the audio. But enough racers excuses. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you again next time.